Hi, this is Global-View.Net, and in this video, we'll be going over how to set up maintenance intervals under fleet management for your Global-View desktop application. Starting off on this home screen, on the left-hand side, you will see multiple tabs. Click under Fleet Management, then click under Maintenance. Here's where you can automate the maintenance schedule of the different vehicles you have set up under your account. If you don't know how to set up a vehicle, you can watch a video tutorial. To start off, we'll click on the blue button next to Service Works. Under Vehicle, you can select what vehicle or vehicles you would like to do the service on. Under Name, this is where you can name what service you would like to do. You can also add a description, and you can add the cost. Under Notifications, you can add who will be notified of this service work. If this will be a recurring service, we recommend you have auto repeat on, as you'll repeat the service to whatever interval you had set up. You can either do it by date or by engine hours. You can also add other files like an invoice, etc. if you would like by clicking on Add File. Just click Create to create the service work. Here you will see all your made service works, and if you like to have it marked as complete, you would just click on the service and then click Execute. So now if you go under Completed, you'll see the completed services. And that is how you set up maintenance intervals for your Global-View desktop application.